Fix an E1 or E2 error message on the HP DeskJet 2900, 4300, 5100, and 5800 printer series. These errors occur when the printer detects a difference in size or length between the paper loaded and the print job settings. You can fix this issue by accessing the Printer Embedded Web Server, or EWS for short. To access the EWS, you need the printer IP address. Select the I button on the printer control panel to print an information report. The information report has the printer IP address on it. Open a web browser and enter the IP address in the URL search field. If you receive a warning message, select the option to proceed. Accessing the EWS will not harm your computer. On the EWS home screen, select the Settings tab. If you receive a prompt to enter the printer PIN, you can find the PIN on the information report. On the left-hand menu, select Preferences. Select Tray and Paper Management. From here, you can adjust your paper settings to match the type and size of the paper that you are printing on. When you are done, select Apply. For Windows computers, you can also adjust these settings from the Printers and Scanners menu. To do this, search for and select Printers and Scanners. Select your printer from the list. Select Printing Preferences. From here, you can adjust your paper settings to match the type and size of the paper that you are printing on. When you are done, select OK